Hello, I'm in a 2013 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you're going to make sure your vehicle's on, which it is. Then we'll go to our phone options.
Uconnect phone.
From your phone, make sure your Bluetooth's turned on, which that's that symbol. If you press and hold, usually that'll pull up your pairing menu.
Please
So,
say a 4-digit PIN number.
1111.
PIN code 1111. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
So we're going to click to start the pairing. So we should see something pop up for the Avenger here shortly. Sometimes with technology it's a little funky, so you might have to try a few times before it'll go through. But sometimes it just takes a little bit. You might have to restart your car, restart your phone. But you should see like a Uconnect pop up eventually. There we go. There's the Uconnect. We should see that change in a moment. Here's that pin I just made up. 1111.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Clay.
Please repeat the name of the device.
Clay.
Pairing complete.
Alright, so we should be set. So now you should be able to listen to music. Sometimes you can pair like your maps, your phone books. You can take texts and calls and all that through the car as well. But that's it. And then also a lot of times vehicles have a max number of devices installed, so you might have to also go through and delete any.
Uconnect phone.
But we're all connected, so if you have to disconnect one, you can use verbal commands to so you like disconnect phone, remove phone, things like that. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.